Hello everyone. I have just bought this Redmi Smart Band 2 watch. It is a very smart gadget about your tracking your everyday activity while you are walking, you are jogging, you are dancing, what activity, what gymnastics you are doing every day. It is a great gadget. Here you see the battery now has 39% battery. Let's see how useful it is and what you can do with the Redmi Smart Band 2. Here you see what you can track. You're running, you're walking, free, climbing, cycling, rope, cycling outdoors. Let's see more. Here it's a Greek language, but you can see yoga, ellipses, pilates, stretching, aerobics, and many more. You can see everything you want here in your language. It's available in many languages, so don't worry about it. Now, let's see what else you can do. Activity. Here records the activity I have recorded. I am walking more, so it records the time, the date, and you see the results on an application. If you connect the Redmi Smart Band 2 with an application, I chose a fitness application. I downloaded it from Play Store and I synchronized my Redmi Smart Band 2 with the application from the Play Store. I chose fitness, so I record and I see there everything. You can see some statistics. Here you see the complete goal. I have completed my goal. I have burned 714 kilocalories today just. My goal is completed. My steps was 6,461. My movement a few minutes. It records, maybe this is a mistake, but I am still learning it. I have bought it today and I'm excited. It is very useful and fantastic. You can count your vital signs, your BPM. You can count your SpO2. Just you click the button and you wait 3 seconds to start counting your SpO2. You just have not to move and it counts. Wait a little bit for the line to complete the red. Now I have not put it in on my hand, so maybe it will be a mistake, but it's okay. 99%, it's fantastic. Okay. You may track your sleep, your stress, cycles, to see the weather, what's happening, to hear music, to use camera. Has many features here. Clock. You can count here. You may have contacts, telephone contacts, but if you want, it's not obligatory to use everything. And the settings. In settings, you can find style, how the battery, how much is completed, if you want to change pins, and many features. The Redmi Smart Band 2 gadget is accompanied with useful information. You can read everything you want in your language to understand everything better. I hope you find this video useful. If you enjoy uploading such videos about marketing new products that we suggest, we have tried it, we suggest, please subscribe to my channel and come back soon for another video for more products. Thank you for joining this channel. I hope to see you soon again. Bye.